Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this Mercedes Benz C-Class from any screen. You can either select Navi on the top there, use the thumb wheel, there's a star here, you can scroll to it there, and you can also select by pressing this, which is kind of a mouse, which your hand moves and not the mouse. So you move across there like so. Or you can scroll. Now, so onto navigation, you can either select by clicking the selector in the center or this mouse thing. So select there, select where to. You've got points of interest, address, go home, that'll take you to your home address if it's set. So, or favorites. So onto address, click address. Enter town, enter postcode. So scroll down to postcode, and you can also use this mouse thing, but it's a lot easier using, certainly if you're driving, and probably not supposed to do that, but it's a lot easier using the selector than it is a mouse, because every time you go over a bump you select the wrong thing. So enter postcode. We are Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Walkney, Preston, PR5, and you see turning the selector turns this wheel on the right hand side. So to P, select, and then we need R, and then this system, which is quite a good one, has gone to numbers 5, so PR5, 4, and then it's gone back to letters J, S. That's it. You've got an arrow there which you can select. So click OK, and it's now searching. It's asking me for a number. We don't have a number here, but I'll just click that just to, and then you've got to click go.
When possible, make a U-turn, then turn right.
It's telling me to turn because I've put an address down there, but that's it. That's how to set it.